back to my channel. This is Priyanka and you're watching My Little Bubble. So today I am super duper excited, and the reason why I'm so excited is that I am going on a mini vacation for the first ever time in this entire year of 2020 for obvious reasons. Everybody knows the reasons. Now, since there is a little bit of relaxation in the lockdown situation, many people have now slowly and gradually started moving out of their places and taking mini or short vacations or holidays or going on short trips to nearby places, because of course it's been a while since we have been living in this situation, and now all of us are aware of the situation, and the people have now learned how to deal with the situation, how to make sure that they are safe even when they are outside. So now, as compared to the beginning of this year, definitely towards this part of the year, it is a little bit safe to move out. You can make sure that you are safe when you are out by following certain guidelines given by the government and everything. Everybody is well aware of that by now, right? So we also thought of taking a mini vacation which would just last for one day and one night. But of course, there's just a little bit of relaxation in the lockdown situation. Not to forget that the pandemic isn't over yet. So we did a lot of research before coming down to a point wherein we were sure that yes, this is the place that we are gonna go. We decided that we are going to Igatpuri. We are going to stay at Manas Lifestyle Resort Igatpuri. I'm not sure if you have heard of it or not, but this is a very famous and popular resort, and I've never been to that, by the way, so this would be the first ever time that I'm gonna go there. And the most important reason behind making this vlog is that I want to spread an awareness among people who are actually planning to go out on vacations and holidays at this point of time. I just want to make people aware what kind of precautionary measures, safety measures, hygiene and all of that is being taken care by the hotel authorities and the resort authorities, and how exactly the staff owners and everybody is behaving there, so that just in case you're also planning to take vacations and all of that, you have a clarity in your mind whether or not it's safe for you at this point of time to stay in hotels or resorts, specifically about those families who have children, because I am going on this trip with a child. So I will take you along to my mini vacation, and I'm going to share each and every update and littlest details possible, so that there is a clarity about what exactly is happening in hotels and resorts these days. Okay, so we left at around 11 a.m. and reached at around 2 p.m. We were going from Mumbai to Igatpuri, and it takes around 2.5 to 3 hours approximately, depending on the traffic conditions. Though it wasn't very cloudy, actually it wasn't cloudy at all, and really sunny and hot outside, as you can see here. Still, the drive was ultimate, very relaxing. After all, after a lockdown situation of 8 months, if you can get out on a long drive, you can't really complain about the weather not being cloudy, right? So we've reached the resort, as you can see here. Now, the first thing I noticed about this place was the staff member was making sure that each and every person who entered the resort had their hands sanitized right at the entry point itself, which was really reassuring. We also saw a few more families with kids there, which was again reassurance because we were not the only family who came with a kid. So this is their entrance lobby area. Let me just show you around. This was really beautifully maintained, and I really loved it. Now here, if you notice, all the staff members, all the resort staff members are wearing their hand gloves, their face mask and the face shield is on, and they were also taking care of the social distancing and everything else. So that was really good, and this showed that all the precautions and everything was taken care by them. However, I was a little bit disappointed by other visitors, some of the other visitors, not all of them. Some of the visitors were not really taking care. Some of them also came without a mask, so you can't really do anything about it. You have all kind of people around you.
I'd really heard a lot about Manas Lifestyle Resort Igatpuri, but since this is a very old property, I wasn't really expecting much from it. But let me admit, when I reached here and saw around, I was really impressed by how they have maintained the property, their lawns, their gardens, the interiors, ambience, etc. Everything, and most importantly, all the precautionary measures were being taken care by the staff members with respect to the current situation. So I was really impressed by these things, and I was really happy about choosing Manas Resort for my this mini little vacation in this time. So right now, basically, we are heading towards our room. The one of the resort staff members is actually leading us towards our room. So these are all the rooms that they have, and of course, more of the rooms are towards the other side, towards that side. So this is how the room looks from inside. I would say it was pretty decent and I was actually happy. Of course, it wasn't really fancy and the space was not quite big, but it was not bad either. And yes, I was a little disappointed by the washrooms because it was really basic. But again, as I said, it is actually a very old property. So again, I wasn't really expecting it to be too fancy. So this is the little sit out area that they have outside every room. After reaching the resort, we straight away rushed towards the restaurant after freshening up because we were very hungry. Now, as you can see here, they have put this little stretch belt barrier. This was actually to maintain social distancing and making sure that nobody actually came close to the food. And they've also put this little sign here which says that they have their own staff member who would be serving the food to each and everybody there. This was actually to maintain proper social distancing and also to make sure that nobody from the visitors was touching the ladle or the serving spoon. About the menu, I would say it was pretty much basic. Not a lot of options were available. But yes, talking in terms of hygiene, it was hygienic. The food was hygienic, and as I said, the spread was basic, but they had pretty much everything that is actually required for lunch. So after finishing lunch, we came here to the pottery section. This is their pottery section. So this resort actually has a lot of activities for the visitors. I got a little stuck for a while on at this particular artifact or hanging, whatever you call it. It was really beautiful. So these are some pots that the visitors had made and kept it there. But what I made, I got it back with me. Obviously, I was not going to keep something there which I made. I did not make a pot. I chose to make a diya because Diwali is approaching, so that is all I could think of. I said, why not? I can't tell you how soothing it was to be in the nature after such a long time. It was so refreshing. Now, one more very important thing, most of the resorts and hotels have actually opened their access to the swimming pool for people. However, we chose not to go inside for obvious safety reasons. We did not go inside. So it's 6:45 p.m. right now, and see how mesmerizing the view is. They had some loud music playing there, which definitely lit my mood. I seriously could not wait to go up there and see and check out what was happening there. So apart from these games, they also had magic show and karaoke. Of course, the magic show was loved by my son, and karaoke all of us really enjoyed a lot. And for the dinner, we actually thought of going out and exploring some other place, which was obviously not very much advisable, but yes, of course, we did our own research and we decided to go to Tropical Retreat. So in our research, we found that most of the visitors had given good ratings, and we found that this hotel was believed to be taking really good precautionary measures and everything was taken care. So we thought of going there for our dinner. Okay, now to be honest, I didn't really like being here. Not because it was bad place or something, but it was very deserted, guys. Just look around how quiet it is. People seem to have mostly chosen cheaper places in this time of pandemic, and probably that's the reason we cannot see many people around here, which was not the case in Manas Resort. I'm really glad that we didn't choose to stay here, because this was also in our list because of the good ratings and all. But I somehow cannot live in a deserted place. It kind of creeps me out, especially in the night time. I like being around people. But about the hotel, yes, I would definitely say that I liked it better than the place that we were actually staying right now, because of the beauty and ambience, maintenance, etc. I would definitely love to come back and stay here at this place, at this hotel, later on when the things are back to normal and I can see people around here. Okay, now let me show you how beautifully they've decorated this place. So they've put this aquatic plants all over the water body that they have around here, and it's actually spreading all over the water. I believe it's lotus, so it really looks very, very beautiful, and I believe it must be looking even more beautiful in the daytime, probably when it's cloudy and all of that. But right now, look, there is not a single person visible here, and this kind of creeps me out. I don't like being in a deserted place, as I mentioned, especially in the night. And this is their swimming pool area. Of course, again, very beautiful. And this is our picture from the next morning having breakfast. The breakfast was really good, of course, as it is expected to be. I really enjoyed having my breakfast, and that's why I could not film at all, because I was also very, very hungry and I was enjoying the spread. I had a stomach full of breakfast. And this leads us to the last activity in this resort, which was horse riding. We did this just for our son because he loved horse riding. He really enjoyed this, and I would definitely suggest, if you're coming here with your child, you can definitely give this activity a try for your kid, because kids usually love doing these kind of things. And with that, we've come to the end of our mini vacation. We are now going back home. Please let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, please make sure to hit the like button, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel so far, please make sure to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell notification icon button, and make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.